simple video to demonstrate the power of Python. So this simple script has just one purpose, and that is to go to this website, boxofficemojo.com, which gives a list of the best movies by sales over the years. So what we want to do is get this data and save it locally so that we can use it for other purposes. It is called web scraping. So just importing some required packages, setting the time and the date, setting the directory, and then we have some functions that are going to run to do the work. So without further ado, let's run the application. So to run a Python file, you just call Python. The name of the file is script.py. So it is running in the background. In a few minutes, it has finished 2020, as you can see here. And if you go to this data folder, you can see a 2020 file already saved. 2019, and it will go on until 2010. Programming is fun. You can find so many challenges, and as you continue learning, you'll start building very functional or very useful pieces of code which you can connect with other pieces of code and other packages to create very good programs. For example, someone did this, of course. So we already have a list of all movies, and maybe you wanna use them in your website to maybe you wanna sell movies and you wanna show people that this is the best movie. So you just scrape the data from somebody's website and then use it in your own application. So we are at 2014. There are many ways of making programs run faster, but it's just a basic application, so we have not done a lot of work on it. So you can look at the structure of a program. You have to import packages that you require. Pandas, for instance, is the one that sends all the data to the CSV file. A CSV file opens like Excel, as you will see in a minute. So yeah, we should be done 2010, and if you preview this data, you can see that in 2010 Toy Story 3 was the best with 1 billion in sales actually. If you check 2015, Star Wars episode, what is this? This is episode 7 with 2 billion in sales. So you can use now this data in your own applications. So awesome. Um, 2017, Star Wars again. That's pretty amazing. Yeah. So I hope you've enjoyed that. I'll be making more of this and getting into teaching coding in Python and JavaScript, HTML. I hope I can catch you around. Thank you and bye.